What is up, family? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Asics ACTIBREEZE 3D Sandals slides. I think that's what they're called, but yeah, they're the 3D sandals that 3D printed sandals from Asics, and yeah, they call it the ACTIBREEZE. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Just wanted to do a quick video so we can share this experience with each other. Just a solid bag, nothing too crazy around it, the shipping label, so I'm just gonna leave that out while I'm ripping the bag out right now. Let's see if I can. Yeah, I don't need a knife. Nothing else in the bag. Here it is. This is weird. The packing slip on top. Hold on, gotta be careful because we'll start with the box tag. ACTIBREEZE 3D sandal. There it is. I got it in a size medium. I was looking at the reviews. People are saying they run big. I'm a 9.5, 9, 10, whatever, within that range. And that's supposedly large, but people are saying it runs big. So I went with the medium, and hopefully they fit. I mean, for me, it doesn't matter because I feel like slides do run big in general. I don't know. That's just me, but yeah, it's cool because dang, I kind of want to show it. Let me just cover. If I could cover the, I'm gonna just cover this. But if you could see. The Asics sign is actually like 3D printed, as if it was 3D printed, my bad. But yeah, like the slippers. So that's cool, that's cool. I'm gonna start opening the box right now. Asics on the side, kind of like a standard Asics box. Look, powered by Lux Creo. I'm assuming that's the company that prints the 3D sandals. And ooh, okay, here it is, fam. We are getting into it. All right, damn. Oh yeah, hell yeah, hell yeah. Oh man, it's a fail. All right, there you go. Hell yeah. Nothing in the box other than the standard paper, tissue paper for the shoes. You did actually get these little labels, which is funny. Attention. Due to the material structure of the sandal, objects such as tree branches, gravel, etc. may come into contact with your foot. Be careful to avoid walking on uneven surfaces, terrains, and stepping on any debris. So yes, things will get stuck in this sandal. I've read that. I've seen that. People said that in the reviews. So I don't know what this is. Probably just your tag that she get, a shoe size tag or something. But it's funny how it's in a Ziploc. Sizing and care. Pretty nice presentation, I guess. Whoa. What the hell? These are gangster, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, let's look at this real quick. So this is the ACTIBREEZE 3D sandal from Asics. You got the Asics logo right at the front. This is at the top. Wow, look at that. The inner side, that is crazy. The bottom is just flat. Look at that. Oh, and the back has an Asics logo. Oh, well, branding. And it's squishy. Look at this. Here's the other side. Basically the same thing. Dude, it's see-through. Can you guys see that? How it's squishy? Oh my gosh, this is the most comfiest joints I got. Hold on. I'm gonna throw it on right now and tell y'all how it feels. Oh my, bro, these fit beautiful. Actually, you could get away with getting your regular size, in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know, because I saw a picture where the guy said he's a 9.5 and he wore it and it did look huge. So I don't know if it's like a sizing problem they're having right now. Bro, these are comfy, man. Like, wow, the bounce in them is maybe I'll get a large and then come back in the future with another video, give a in-depth of what I think about them, or like, what's a better fitting. But wow, I'm so excited. These are so comfy. I don't know how to explain them, dude. They're really bouncy. They have that cushioning. That is crazy, because it's basically threads just like like bouncing to each other, if that makes sense. That probably stupid, but you know what I mean. It's just compressing each other, and they just oh man, by far one of the most comfiest slides. This is great for like recovery, after maybe a game. But I don't know about daily wear, because rocks, pebbles could probably go into the holes and other stuff like that. But that is sick. Well, that's my thoughts and review, unboxing on the Asics ACTIBREEZE. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you got any questions, leave a comment. I'll get back to you. And that's it. Stay tuned. Got more content coming soon. Peace.